I am still in the mood of showing you more things that you can do with the Photoshop pen tool. So you open your Photoshop and then you create a workspace, a new workspace, as I have done here. If you have done that, then we go to the first pen tool. There are 3 of them. There's the pen tool, the free form pen tool, the curvature pen tool. So with this you can draw a straight line. This is the first pen tool. You can draw a straight line. How you do this is you just click on one point and then you hold on shift and then you click on the next point. However, I have not changed the path to shape, so this will not work. You make sure you are in the tool menu bar, you have to change the setting from path to shape so that it can give you a shape, not really a path, because path is for tracing images. So what we are going to do, you click on the pen tool and then you change from path to shape. And then you can draw a straight line from one point to another while you are holding shift. And then you can give the stroke a color of your choice. So you can see our straight line here. You can increase the stroke by ensuring the pen tool is active so that it can give you the options or the option menu where you can increase the stroke or reduce it or change the color. Then you can also draw really a random shape like this with the first pen tool and give it a solid color of your choice. So you can draw something better than this. However, so we are going to the second pen tool, that is the freeform pen tool, where you can draw things freehand, just like using pencil on a paper. Then you can fill this with a solid color. That is what the free form pen tool can do. Then the curvature pen tool, this one here gives us a circular shape. Every time you click on the next point, it will draw a curve. So these are the 3 different pen tools that you can use during your work. So I believe this video is resourceful to you, and if it is, make sure you subscribe to this channel because we have more of these important tricks that we shall keep bringing to you so that we can make good designs. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.